Before we dive into the fundamental and technical analysis of bionanogenomics with the ticker Bngo, let me quickly remind you guys that next week is going to be very hot. Next week, Tuesday, is going to be one of the hottest day of the week, okay? We have AMD, Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet reporting their earnings after the market closes. And on Wednesday, we have Facebook, Ford, PayPal, Qualcomm, and the rest reporting before and after the market closes. And on Thursday, we have Amazon, Pinterest, Twilio, and the rest reporting after the market closes. And last but not the least, on Friday, we have ExxonMobil, Caterpillar, P&G, and the rest reporting before the market opens. 24% of companies in the S&P 500 have already reported second quarter results. And of these, 88% of them have topped Wall Street earnings per shares estimate. So this right here is Apple, okay? You guys can easily see that year to date, Apple is more or less trading at all-time high with a market cap of $2.4 trillion US right now. The earnings date is of course on Tuesday after the market closes. And this is Microsoft with a market cap of $2.1 trillion US, also trading presently at all-time high. Microsoft is going to be reporting their earnings on Tuesday after the market closes. And this right here is Amazon with a market cap of $1.8 trillion US. Amazon is also trading at all-time high, okay? I mean, they are also going to report on Thursday after the market closes. So next week is going to be a very interesting week in terms of earnings reports. Now, this is going to blow your mind, guys. We have about 150 institutional investors super interested in bionanogenomics. Only 5 of them are short, okay? 136 of them are long. So Bngo is going crazy about bionanogenomics. They have increased their position to 2.7 million shares of bionanogenomics. I mean, this is absolutely crazy, guys. 19.8 million US in total value. I'm going to be diving into this very soon. So we have Fidelity Series Total Market Index Fund as well, increasing their position in bionanogenomics. We haven't seen a lot of, institutional investors, new institutional investors initiating position in Bngo. What we have been seeing so far are the old ones increasing their position in bionanogenomics, which is very good. It creates, it kind of gives us confidence that institutional investors still believe strongly in this company. So this right here is the 13th filing of Bngo. As you guys can see, they used to hold about 1.9 million shares of bionanogenomics, but right now they have increased their position to 2.7 million shares of Bngo. Like I told you guys several times in the past, I believe institutional investors every quarter will be increasing their position size in bionanogenomics. Now look at this. The value used to be 15.4 million US. Right now it is 19.8 million US. Optical genome mapping is effective in detecting cancer risk is a title of a news that was shared 3 days ago, where they spoke about bionanogenomics, technology helping researchers, to detect structural variations. Another news out there that you guys might be interested in is this one shared by Marcus A. Banks, okay? It was written on July 22, 2021. The title says, Optical genome mapping works well in detecting cancer risk. Now, this is another one that was shared by the Chief Business Officer of Bionanogenomics. I'm talking about Rich Shippey, okay? The title says whole genome optical mapping of bone marrow myeloma cells reveals association of extramedullary multiple myeloma with chromosome 1 abnormality. So this is another thing about bionanogenomics, telling us more about what Bngo has been able to do. I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can of course dive into it as well. So let's go into the technical analysis part of this video. So last week, bionanogenomics closed at $5.97 US, down about 3.08% on Friday alone. And as you guys can see, the market cap is down below $2 billion US, okay? This is right now at $1.6 billion US. So in my opinion, we still have about $400 million US safe upside to get to. So this is the technical analysis of bionanogenomics. Like we do every week, we have to dive into the weekly candlestick and see what happened during the week, what happened last week, so that we can prepare ourselves for what we should be expecting, in the coming days next week. So last week, as you guys can see, the candle closed green, which of course is very good. I mean, it's been like almost 4 weeks since we saw a green candle. It's been 4 straight weeks, okay? So last week we opened with a cap down on Monday around 5.6 US dollars, I believe. 5.61 US dollars. That's what we opened on Monday, but luckily we closed at 5.97 US dollars. So if you want to take a look at the weekly candlestick, we closed green. So it means we found somehow a bottom at 5.61 US dollars level, okay, at this right here, this support level right here. The trend, in my opinion, is still bullish. As you guys can see, we came down one, we bounced, we came down again, we bounced, then we are down for the third time. So in my opinion, this is looking like, you know, head and shoulder pattern. I don't like talking about the, you know, technical analysis that much because I am long time invested in this company, but I believe most of you guys are, you know, interested in the daily activities, the price action of Bngo Genomics. So hopefully you will find this video very helpful. Or if you want to initiate a position in Bngo Genomics, or if this your, you know, you want to add to your position or increase your position, then hopefully this video will be helpful for you guys. So now this is what is going on the weekly candlestick. We can see that the support is right here, okay, and we now have resistance. The first resistance is at 6.84 US dollars. That is the first one. And of course, as you guys can see, there is a resistance line right here. So we need to get out of this, you know, this consolidation zone right here, guys. We have to break this resistance and go to the upside. But let's take a look at it on the daily so that we can at least see it clearly, okay? So this is the daily candlestick. You guys can see that we have been coming down heavily since almost beginning of June, okay? Since June 8th of June, we have been coming down heavily. So I mean, until last 2 weeks, we are now, you know, somehow we are finding a support around this level. So we need to get out of this cycle. I mean, we need to break this resistance right here so that we can at least go back up. So the price is more or less, you know, consolidating around this line right here, this support line. That is where the price is more or less, you know, consolidating around. So I mean, we need to break this resistance right here, and as you guys can see, on Thursday we started to come down again on Thursday. Until then, the stock has more or less been, the price has been going higher. On Monday when we opened with a cap down, we closed green. On Tuesday we came back to test that, you know, support level, then we closed green. Then on Wednesday we closed green as well, but then on Thursday everything started to come back down because of the inflation news. I believe I shared it in some of my previous video with you guys, you know, the inflation, and of course the Delta variant of the C19 is affecting mid cap stock or small cap stock right now. So I believe that's what is going on. We just have to wait and see. Next week is going to be earning season for, you know, all these big tech stock, you know, like Apple, Microsoft, you know, Facebook, Google, Amazon. They are all going to be reporting next week. So hopefully it's going to be a good news from them, and there won't be any reason for the stock market to go down, okay? I mean, if they report, if they beat their earnings, this is going to be good for the market in general. It's going to create some kind of positive vibes, okay? If they don't report good earnings, then in my opinion, I think they are going to smash their earnings. So I am going to stay positive. This is what's going on the dailies. I mean, nothing much to talk about. I'm still waiting for this resistance to be taken down, then I can start to share more information with you guys. So more or less what we are doing now is just to hold, or if you want to add to your position, you can take advantage of this, you know, downtrend or this consolidation and add to your position or initiate a position. So have a wonderful day, guys. Good luck for next week. I mean, we need good luck, okay? I remember your boy Dio. This is Faang Investment. If you enjoy my video, please smash the like button and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, where we talk about Bngo Genomics every day, almost from Sunday to Sunday, okay? Ciao, ciao.